Piracom Classic Division 3 has just begun. The leader is Robin Hood, moving up in the middle now. He's King James alongside, moving up is Scott Bell, followed over by Hans City. Rushing up is Jackson and up passing the winning post for the first time. King James, the leader, today leads by about 2 lengths. Down on the inside is Robin Hood, followed over by Scott Bell. Rushing up now is Enigma Uno together with Hans City. And as they make the first turn, moving to the 3/4 mile pole, it's King James still dead in front over Robin Hood. Then position second now is Scott Bell running in 40 San City. Then Caps Wild is the win. Next is entry number 8 Diamond Heart. Jackson up alongside, followed over by Enigma Uno La Trope. And trailing the group is Magna Cum Laude. Bunch of runners now fighting it out for the leader, but it's King James now dictating terms. It's still dictating terms. King James leads by Walalenka over Scott Bell. Joining them now is Wild is the win. Also closing it now is Hans City, but it's still King James is still out in front, opening up by half a length. 3 of them now in the corner. King James, Scott Bell in the middle, Hans City on the outside. Here comes Wild is the win together with Diamond Heart. As they race the last 400, it is still King James is still there in front. King James on the inside, Scott Bell in the middle. Diamond Heart, Hans City also in there. Then joining them now is La Trope. And down the stretch they come. 4 entries now fighting it out for the leader. King James, La Trope, Scott Bell, one is the win. And in the wire, it's all King James wins the 2025 Piracom Classic.
Secretary, goes for the only friends, in the middle of the sophisticated, but I'm not saying and Ryan's and he's up and doing and followed by winner very wide. Let's see, he's not to feel that. Out of the swing further now is Secretary. Secretary, that's in front. Then one goes the on, here comes open lead, he's on the outside, 4 tries, but then followed by sophisticated, 4 lines, but with a parade, lovely back, Marco Bestia. And as they move down the line, you can see the Secretary. Secretary, that's in front, leads by then followed by Barangan on, here comes Saleh, down Araya outside, now he's up and building and joining them. And in as they round the far turn now, Barangan on dead, open building now, Araya outside, and running for Secretary. Long way back, and we have now, winner parade, then followed by Here comes the sophisticated, long way back, Marco Tedeschi and inside 300 now. It is in Batang on just smiling Kanan Nawad and around outside now is offending down the stretch go. Batang Kanlaon along shot leads by San Francisco, followed by Open Billing and Aren Last 100 now is Batang Kanlaon, leads by San 5 and winning the Classic Cup Division 2 second Aren Open Billing and winner already.
For the 2025 Pirocom Classic Cup, Batang Manda, best living moving up now on the outside. Ace Diversity running by the rail is Worshipful Master. Batang Manda, Diversity on the outside. Adding third, Worshipful Master, Basharu, Jungkook, Easy Daskin, Istol and Orlando, Julio is the early player. Into the turn, Negawa, but still Batang Manda. Diversity, fighting out for the lead. Alike, catching in third, Worshipful Master, bring up Basher on the outside. Jungkook in fifth, Easy Dazzle in sixth, Don Julio and his student Ola now running up the tail of the field. And into the backstretch, Jared still, Batang Manda goes on by a lane, moving up Basher on the outside. Diversity in the middle portion, then in fourth position, Worshipful Master. Jungkook, Easy Dazzle, Don Julio, and along with that two Stolen Nola. Batang Manda still in front, on the outside, Bashiru, Diversity, Worshipful Master, Jungkook, Easy Dazzle, also moving up on the outside. Five brothers fighting it out for the leader. Batang Manda, Bashiru, Jungkook, Diversity, Easy Dazzle, running by the Worshipful Master, Don Julio, and Stolen Nola. And still Batang Manda, Jungkook. Outside Basharu, Jungkook takes the lead, running by the release Batang Manda, Basharu in third, these two now fighting out for the leader, Jungkook running on the outside, Batang Manda is running back, Basharu, and still Jungkook by about 2 lines now, where Batang Manda, Basharu, Jungkook now by about 2 lines, Batang Manda, Basharu, on the outside is Villanova. And finally, Classic Cup belongs to Jungkook. Basharu, Stolen Diversity, Batang Manda.
Bayan Karirisa, we're very honored kasama po natin one of our horse owner at sila nga po ay nagpanalo na kanina sa ating race number 2 para sa ating Classic Cup Division 2. Ang kanilang pong kabayo, kilala nyo to eh, Batang Kanloon. Let us all welcome Mr. Carlo Batalla. Sir, good day and congratulations!
Magandang hapon ha. Ito, idol ko to si Lucky Lia.
Mas idol ko po ito, Mayang Karirista. Baka hindi niyo po nitatanong, mas million po ang followers ni Mr. Carlo Batalla. How do you do that, sir?
Ibang advocacy yung Facebook followers ko eh. Ano yan eh, medyo high level na ano yan, advocacy. Kasi buong Pilipinas kasi ang pinaka-advocacy ko, mamigay ng libreng wheelchair sa halos lahat ng nangangailangan nating mga kababayang PWD. As of today siguro ang napamigay ni Carlo Batallang wheelchair sa buong Pilipinas, mga 120,000 wheelchair na siguro. Kaya dumadami yung followers ko. Lalong-lalo na nung naging horse owner ako, lumubo yung followers ko eh.
Yes!
So maraming salamat sa Bayang Karirista.
Okay. Sir, let's talk about, sabi niyo po, bago lang po kayo sa karera. Would you mind if I ask, gano'n na po kayo katagal or kailan po ba kayo nagsimula?
Actually, naging horse owner ako, parang September lang.
Last year?
September
very
last
fresh.
year, Pero, matagal na akong tumataya sa karera.
Okay.
Kasi ang nagturo sa akin mga karera, mga alamat ng karera natin eh. Si John Almeida at si Mikey Arroyo.
Wow!
Yun ang mga padrino ko sa karera.
But ito po si Batang Kanloon, if I'm not mistaken, na-acquire nyo lang po ito.
Yes.
Yes po.
Galing kay Secretary Benor Abalos. Kaya huwag natin kalimutan, Secretary Benor Abalos.
Sir, ano po ang masasabi nyo dito po sa experience nyo bilang isang baguhang horse owner sa ating industriya?
Maganda. Actually, bago nga lang akong kararesta sa horse owner, meron na yata akong mga almost 50 na kabayo eh.
Oh, dami agad, sir!
So, kung hindi ko gusto yung karera, hindi aabot ng 50
Yes.
kabayo ko.
So, alam nyo, Bayang Karirista, yung ating pong bagong horse owner, hindi lamang po bumili ng kabayo, tumutulong pa ngayon dito sa ating industriya. So, thank you so much for supporting our industry and hopefully, sa mga susunod pa po nating mga stakes races, mas malaki po ang makuha niyang premyo dahil if I'm not mistaken, ito po, sinabi nyo, itong kaninang karera, isa sa pinakamalaki nakuha niyong stakes.
Ay, oo. Ito yung first na malaking panalo ng kabayo ni Carlo Batalla. At ito nga, sundan niyo ako follow niyo ako sa Facebook kasi yung lahat ng panalo ko rito sa karera, napupunta lang to sa wheelchair eh. Lahat ng kita ko sa Facebook napupunta sa wheelchair.
Wow, for a very good cause po talaga.
Malaki yung budget sa wheelchair actually. At si Batalla po laging handa sa pagtulong sa racing industry. Lalo na yung lahat ng mga kaibigan ko matatagal na rito. Kahit hindi pa ako horse owner, andito sa racing industry.
Thank you so much, sir.
Kahit siya medyo hindi nyo natatanong, kaibigan ko yung boss nito eh. Si James Rabano.
Okay na silver bullet. So, ayan po ang mga kaibigan.
Kaibigan ko yun.
Talagang, pwede po ba siya lumapit?
Shout out kay James ha.
Pwede po lumapit sa inyo, sir, through your Facebook lahat. Just in case po, nangangailangan po kahit ng isang wheelchair, message lang po kayo doon.
Ay, oo, hindi lang isa. Text mo lang ako at makakarating through Lalamove, through Grab. Pag marami, walang problema.
Maraming salamat po.
Basta ang hinahanap ko, beneficiary ng libreng wheelchair.
Thank you so
At
much, sir.
ayaw ni Carlo Batallang merong PWD, biktima ng stroke, na nakahiga sa kwarto nila na hindi nakakalabas ng bahay.
Thank you so much, sir.
At habang may nananalong kabayo si Carlo Batalla, marami tayong mabibenepisyuhan.
Mas madami.
Mas
madami. Mas madadagdagan po ang ating mga
Ito,
beneficiary.
100% yung premyo ni Batalla rito sa stakes race na to. Pambili ng wheelchair ito.
So yan po mga kaibigan, I hope that we support Mr. Carlo Batalla dahil nasabi nga po ni Mr. Carlo na ito po ay ibinabalik din po natin sa ating po mga kapwa. So lahat po sana kayo tutukan. Ano pong ulit ng pangalan ng dalawang horses?
Super Tatiana at Beautiful Serena.
Let's all welcome Mr. Denny Stan. Ang kanila pong kabayo nanalo kahapon, which is Manodura. Sir, congratulations! And ano po ang masasabi nyo dito sa ating selebrasyon?
Yun, masaya at sali lang ang sali.
Sali na sali. Alam nyo ba yung Karirisa? Ang gusto po natin kay Mr. Denny Stan, well-rounded siya eh. Sa lahat po ng organization meron dito sa Pilipinas, kasali po siya.
Kasali.
So, I'm very happy na lagi po kayo sumusuporta dito sa atin. And yung mga horses nyo, very competitive. Do you have new horses na kailangan at makikita na ating mga bayang Karirisa soon?
Meron naman. Ngayon, meron ako yung kapatid ni Dixie Sky, si Samboy.
Wow.
Kasi apat yung socks niya eh.
Ano yung definition or yung description ni Samboy?
Oh, yung
Laging
Samboy
mahaba yung
Oo,
socks.
tsaka yung sock talaga mahaba. Mahaba siya, mahaba.
So, mabilis makita.
Madaling
ito po,
makita.
ito po
Kakaiba.
ang kabayo po na ito. Kailan po ba natin makikita na gagalaw pa sa ating pista?
Malapit na. So, pinapasarado ko na lang yung tuhod niya kasi bata pa siya eh. So, mga 2 months to go, okay na.
Okay, meron tayong technical na narinig doon, pinapasarado. So, what do you mean by pinapasarado, sir? So, marami tayong mga viewers dito baka ma-misinterpret yung sinabi po niyo.
Pinapamature lang natin yung yung tuhod.
Okay, sir.
Kasi bata pa siya eh. Para hindi ma-injury.
Okay. So, technically, wala naman pong problema kay Samboy.
Wala.
Ang ginagawa lang
Healthy
po
yan.
natin ay
Pinapamature.
minimake sure, kumbaga pinapakunat yung buto. May ganun po tayo,
Oo.
medyo marupok pa, di ba? So, Samboy, looking forward. Well, congratulations to your win, Mr. Denny Stan. Ano po ang masasabi nyo sa lahat po ng kamiyembro ng Manila Horsepower na kasama po natin sa ating selebrasyon?
Salamat mga bayan Kararisa. Continue support lang sa lahat ng mga organization namin. Yun lang naman, pati sa Manila Horsepower. Thank you din.
Okay, thank you so much. At ito po from our Daily Burn. Daily Burn, di ba sir, yung pangalan po ng inyong gym? Ayan. Bayang Karirisa, baka gusto nyo magpaganda ng katawan, katulad Mr. Denny Stan, visit their gym, located po.
Sa Ayala Heights Drive lang, sa
Oh.
Quezon City.
Ayan. At hindi lang yon, kung sisilipin nyo yung Facebook po nila, star-studded ang kanila pong yung
Punta nyo
gym.
lang yung Facebook namin sa Daily Burn.
Yes. Na, parang nakaka-intimidate mag-gym doon kasi puro artista po yun nandun eh.
Hindi, artista ka rin.
Di ba? Anyways, Bayang Karirisa, let us support Mr. Denny Stan.
Perfect Delight, best and again, all in one. In the portion, perfect shot, Alibaba, one, Jeffrey comes next, Don Yang shot, Daily Bird, running by the race before fame, and the favorite Nomet Hayes is the elite player. We have perfect Delight, the leader by Caroline Canehapa. And in second is a perfect shot, all in one, a very close third, and in fourth position, Alibaba. Doña Leon siya yung fifth. Daily Bird running quadral is longevity. Audia side Velvet Haze and Big for Pain now racing in this. And it's still Perfect Delight. All in one now, moving up on the outside. Perfect shot is entered, and in four comes Daily Bird. Doña Leon siya, Alibaba, Velvet Haze, Longevity, and Big for Fame. And it's still Perfect Delight, all in one, fighting it out for the leader. Perfect Delight is running by the level, all in one on the outside, getting close, and now in third is a Daily Bird. And it's still Perfect Delight, all in one, Daily Bird in third, perfect shot. Velvet Haze in big position, and Doña Leon siya. As the field turns bottom, Perfect Delight, all in one. Daily Bird on the outside, Velvet Haze. But it's still Perfect Delight by a line, all in one. Daily Bird on the outside. Perfect Delight, all in one, giving the final burst of energy. Daily Bird. Perfect Delight, all in one is on the outside. Daily Bird. But it's still Perfect Delight, all in one on the outside. Perfect Delight, all in one, and finally goes. Perfect Delight, all in one. Daily Bird.
Ng Manila Horsepower, doon pa lamang po sa kanilang mga kamiyembro, masaya na. Nalagdagan pa po ng ating mga bayang kariristang dumayo pa. So, nandito po, kasama po natin ang kanilang presidente, Cons. Ferdy Eusebio. Sir, good day and congratulations po sa, alam po natin, very successful. Taon-taon naman po successful ang inyong mga pakarera. And for this year, ano po ang pinagkaiba ng inyo pong mga ibinigay at pinanood at pinakita sa ating po mga bayang karirista?
Ever since, ang focus talaga natin is yung papremyo natin sa mga sota, then ilan sa trainers, sa jockeys. But this time, sinama po natin yung mga tellers sa lahat. Hindi lang po dito, pati ho sa mga OTBs.
Wow! So, may I say, sir, ilan po kaya yung mga tellers na nakasali po? Kasi nakita mo natin, nag-raffle. 5 po ang nira-raffle niya every race. Nag-start po yesterday?
Yesterday, nag-start tayo. Kada race, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Kanina, dahil nga din sa mga generous na mga sponsors natin, kay VG Sandy Javier, nagpa-raffle pa ng 10,000 pesos. And sa last race po natin, si Boss Puds Puyat ay magbibigay ng isang 25,000 sa winning teller.
Sir, sa mga susunod pa po natin mga projects, what could you say dun sa lahat po ng mga susuporta sa inyo?
Well, sa lahat po ng sumusuport sa amin, unang-una, maraming salamat. Then, ginagawa na rin ho namin yung every December, nagagawa po kami ng Christmas party para po sa mga sota at family nila. Na bukod po doon sa food, nagkakaroon din po tayo ng bingo at saka races ng mga sota natin, gate starter. So parang it's like a family day for them kasi naging adikain na ng Manila Horsepower. Not only mga sota, lahat po ng parte ng industriya ng karera. We want them to be recognized. Gusto namin na lahat yan, yung gate starter, pati ho yung rescue, tulong-tulong ho tayo kasi lahat naman sa pagtutulungan ng bawat isa, here we are now. Sa pamumuno po ni Chairman Relly, nakita naman ho natin na talagang sumisigla po yung karera.
Tama po. And I've heard, sir, that you're running for a position this coming election. Ano pong masasabi natin at ano pong mensahe nyo sa inyo pong mga kadistrito?
Binabati ko lang lahat ng bayang karerista, continue to support ang ating mga races, lalo-lalo na po yung mga tiga Makati sa District 1 po ng Makati. Hello po, sana ho in-enjoy nyo yung mga karera na hinanda po namin para sa inyo. And hopefully nga, like I said yesterday, our goal is na sana maibalik po namin yung Makati Day celebration. Dati kasi dalawa yung hinahanda ko na karera. Aside from Manila Horsepower, meron din nung celebration ng Makati Day.
Sana soon. Sana po
Yes,
soon. Anyways, maraming salamat, sir, and congratulations sa inyo pong pakarera. Huwag po kayong magsasawa, huwag po kayong hinto, at sana madagdagan pa po ang susuporta sa inyo para ma-continue nyo po itong inyong mga advocacy.
And of course, maraming salamat po. Siyempre, malaking bagay po yung ginagawa din po ni Boss James Rabano, ang Silver Bullet. Kasi talagang napapanood ho ng lahat at malaking suporta para sa industriya ng karera. Thank you
Marami
po,
po
Boss.
salamat, sir. So, kasama rin po natin ang kanila pong former president and now director, Mr. Celso Opaco. Sir, I'm so happy to see you again. Lagi naman po natin nakakasama ang Manila Horsepower, hindi lamang po sa ating mga karera, kundi na rin po sa mga initiatives nyo sa pagtulong dito po sa ating mga stakeholders.
Always.
And for this year, sir, what can you say about the 18th running of this racing festival, sir?
As you will notice, this year is the 18th.
Yes.
And as in any celebration, the 18th year is a big milestone.
And that's for the ladies like us,
Yeah.
the 18th, the
Yeah.
boo.
And also for any organization, 18th anniversary is a great milestone. And for this race, there was a record sales again yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah, so far, the biggest Saturday gross.
Wow, congratulations.
And, yeah, thank you. And for this, we would like to thank the sponsors. It's so many to mention. All sponsors, both coming from the horse racing industries and also from other businesses, not related but still supportive of the horse racing industry. And to all of you, a big thanks to everyone. Big thanks also to Bayang Carrerista, Piracom for your never-ending support. Chairman Relly, maraming pong salamat sa inyo. And of course, Silver Bullet, the beautiful Rhea.
You know, I'm very thankful to your organization. When I started, one of these, ayun na po, sa lahat ng organisasyon, no, isa po kayo sa pinaka-friendly, pinaka-masaya. Pagka Manila Horsepower, laging namin sinasabi, kailangan nandun tayo. You've seen them all. Nakita nyo po yung mga past years natin. They're all very supportive, very happy. And you know, there's the camaraderie, the feeling of belongingness.
MHP is always full of energy.
Full of energy. And Bayang Carrerista, Mr. Celso Opaco, being their former president, I know na medyo busy, very tired, but you make also your time po na always available para dito sa ating pong, alam nyo, sir, sabi niya po, very successful yung Saturday nyo dahil taas yung gross. Ang dami po naman na nagdehadong lumabas. So medyo hirap na hirap pa rin po ang mga Bayang Carrerista pagdating na naman sa Horsepower Racing Festival.
For the past 17 years, it's a tradition of MHP Racing Festival, Dihado lagi.
To make sure that they'll give you this a very good lineup. Yun nga lang po, medyo mahirap tumama. But guaranteed, you're gonna enjoy it. Di ba, sir? Anyways, thank you so much.
I have to mention Vice President Michael Badge de Los Santos. Thank you, Badge. Ikaw may kasalanan ito.
Siya po bang handicapper nyo?
Yeah.
Wow. Mr. Batch, congratulations. You did a good job. Medyo mahirap, pero very wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.
Yep, thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Carrerista, we would like to say thank you to all of you for supporting ito pong pakarera ng Manila Horsepower. Ganoon na rin po ang pamunuan ng Manila Horsepower na taon-taon po nagbibigay ng ayuda, ng tulong, at hindi po natin makakaila na talagang mang solido ang kanilang grupo dahil makikita niyo po ganito kapuno ang ating pong grandstand at ganoon din po yung ating pong mga manonood na talagang dinadayo pa ang kanilang mga miyembro para lamang po maipakita ang suporta dito sa kanilang mga pakarera. Well, sa lahat din po ng mga sponsors na tumulong para po makapagbigay ng magandang papremyo, maraming salamat po. At ganoon na rin po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok at hindi pa check at naka-follow dito sa aming channel ha. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Meron din po tayo dito sa ating Facebook. Kaya kung gusto niyo po laging updated, follow Silver Bullet. My name is Lucky Lea Forbes. See ya.